Welcome, my beautiful people, to D Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D Don is at it again, and we will be doing ripe banana muffin. So, guys, let's dive into it. This half cup of walnut, quarter cup of oil. I'm using the olive oil. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons of dark sugar, and I'm using the refined, very fine sugar. 1/2 teaspoon allspice, cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon allspice, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and here I'm using the fine pink salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. What make our banana muffin? Banana muffin, 3 ripe bananas. And the banana you're using, it's very ripe. They're very ripe, almost mushy. You see? Ripe, very soft. Also 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. You're also gonna need your muffin tin for baking, and the cup, muffin cup, to put in the baking pan. And you need your utensils like your bowl, a fork, your scoop, your hand mixer, and your spatula, your mixing spoon, and all of those. So before any further hesitation, let us dive in. You want to peel the ripe bananas, and you're going to smash the bananas with a fork. When you finish smash the ripe banana, it's supposed to be looking like this. See? Now we're going to put the sugar in. And you're going to mix the sugar until it dissolves. Beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to D Don Kitchen. And hit that notification bell, so when D Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. You're gonna pour your oil in. So guys, this is an eggless. If you notice, I'm not using any egg. There is no egg. It's an eggless banana muffin. Also, I have some Magnum tonic wine with a few raisins in it that I'm gonna add to it. You don't have to use the Magnum. You wanna mix the oil in with my Magnum tonic wine for a different, and the raisin. So this is how we're looking now, guys. You see? Looking beautiful. So now we're gonna work on our dry ingredient. And we're gonna save all the dry ingredient, the salt, cinnamon powder, baking soda, everything together. This is the walnut, and we're gonna chop the walnut. You're gonna pour it in your mixture. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. OMG, you can smell the aroma with the vanilla and all the spice. Also the ripe banana. You can smell the whole place. You can imagine when this finished baking. And now you're gonna go in with your flour mixture. And sure you mix all the spice together in it. And with using our cut and fold method. You don't want to overmix the batter. So as soon as the flour is incorporated in it, that's it. You don't want to be over mixing. And you can always taste to see if your stuff need anything more. Let me taste a little. It tastes so good. Let me wash my hands. So now guys, it's time for us to put the banana muffin in the cup. You want to scoop and you want to level it in. And now, it's optional. You can sprinkle with a little more walnut on top. I'm just breaking these in with my hands. And guys, you want to heat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you're going to pop the banana muffin inside the oven to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. It is time to check on our banana muffin. And you want to insert a toothpick in it to see if it bakes. And once the toothpick come out dry, you know, they are all done. The aroma, man. So they're all finished. So we're gonna remove it from the oven now and let it sit and cool. Let it cool down a little. So guys, I'm just gonna put some maple syrup on top of our banana muffin. And let them cool down. Right now it's a bit hot. This is optional, you don't have to do this. So now my beautiful people, the Magnum Eggless Banana Muffin is now ready. And we want to taste. I want to break one so you can see how it's looking. So first you just want to remove it. It's hot. You need to let it cool down, okay? Don't follow me. Don't want you to get burned. And you just want to open it up. See? And it's really soft, you see? Really soft and everything. It's soft and yummy and moist. You see how moist it is? Guys, please give it a try. You will love it. The kids, oh man, this is really nice for the kids. Going to school or watching television. It's really nice. Give it a try. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching D Don Kitchen. Love you all. Peace.